Play some fast. There it is. Get that duck. Get that duck. Come on. Happy dog. Bring it over here. There you go. That's my boy. You're on that thing, ain't you, bud? Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. There's my bud. Ready? Get in here. Oh, nice try. Nice try. Yes, I can work. There you go. Zoom. Like a rocket. He's on that shit. Love it. Such a good boy. Such a good boy, Jack. Yes, he is. Yeah. Oh. There he goes. See, now I have to say, buddy, if I did that to Buddy, he'd say, frick you, dude, you'll get it yourself. Uh-oh. Look, he's hung up. Better help you out. Uh-oh. Did you hurt yourself, boy? I hope not. He was just sitting there holding his leg up like he sprained his leg or something. Oh, man, I hope he's not hurting himself. Are you just faking it? Buddy used to do that, too. He used to fake like he was hurt, make me carry him all the way home, and they'd run around the yard like nothing happened. Little bastard. Was you just messing with me, huh? Was you just messing with me? Oh, I didn't want you to hurt yourself, boy. Oh, no, he's all right. He was just messing around. Yeah, Buddy, one time, we were at the beach, and he started acting like he had a broken ankle or something. You know, he couldn't walk, and that dog weighs 50 pounds, by the way. So I got a bad back. So he made me pick him up, and I carried him all the way from the doghouse beach all the way up here to Brookhaven Apartments. And I get up here to the house, and I go to sit him down to open the door, and he takes off running around the yard like nothing even happened. And I was just like, ooh, that is one smart dog. Yeah, that was one smart dog. Oh, shit. He fooled me good, he did. I miss him immensely, but Jack, you are an awesome dog, and you're helping to ease me through that. Really, I'm able to move on, get past it, you know. I was having a really hard time moving on after Buddy died. Jack, you're definitely helping out, big guy. Yeah, you are. Got a little transition period there for about 2 weeks. It was getting pretty rough, but well, the first week was pretty rough, but I think he's settled in and come to the realization that this is his new home, and we'll have just as much fun. Come here. One door closes, another one opens, right? For the both of us. Yeah. Critters and Company saved my butt for sure. I was getting on the depressed side, we might say. Where I was when I got Buddy, you know. The whole reason I got Buddy was when my wife died. I couldn't get out of bed because I was too depressed, so Buddy filled that gap and got me out of bed anyway. And so anywho, yeah, I was getting back to that mode where I just didn't want to get to bed anymore. I was so bummed out about Buddy, and whoa, lo and behold, here comes Jack. What do you know? New beginnings for the both of us, huh? And I had the mistake of, you know, trying to treat him like Buddy and make him my buddy. He's not Buddy at all. He's never going to be that way. So I need to just love him for who he is, and which is absolutely total opposite of what Buddy was. Buddy was one laid back, cool. He just wanted to kick back and be petted and loved on. And this guy wants to go, go, go. You know, that's what you get for healer attitude. Nothing but energy, huh, boy? It was really bad timing. You know, I couldn't say no to him because I knew I was having some knee replacement surgery, and I knew I wasn't going to be able to get out and, you know, have a lot of fun with him and run around in the beginning because of this operation. But there was no way I could say no, I can't have him. You know, I wasn't going to turn him down. No way. I've been waiting too long, and it was detrimental to my mental health that I get another dog. Yeah, it was, and I'm really happy. He's been awesome. Now that I've got him, you know, we had to have a little I am the king of the roost battle because he was biting me a few times the first couple of days, and wrinkling his lips and growling. Hey, get over here. You know, he wants you to pet him, but then when you go do, he wrinkles up and growl, and that's just not gonna fly, dude. So we had a little, you know, Ray, I'm the boss, not you. So, and he got it. We get it. He's all good ever since. And so yeah, he cuddles up on me in bed now and everything else instead of his doggy bed like he was used to, and getting over a bunch of his old bad habits, slowly but surely. Yeah. Like even the girl I have coming walking for me, you know, he's nice as heck to her, and he'll let her pet him and walk him and everything else. But when she brings him back in the house to take his collar off, he starts growling at her. I was like, that's not going to fly, dude. You're going to have to get over those bad habits. That's not the way we operate around here. Oh, boy. Come here, goofball. Jack, come here. Come here. And on the most part, he's been listening to me pretty well. Oh, what the heck? He's acting like he might have hurt himself. Come here, boy. Come here. Jack. Come here. I just got a little whimper out of him. What the hell? I hope he didn't hurt his ankle or something. Where are you going, boy? Wanna go poo-poos? What you doing, huh? Come here. Let me see Paul for a second. Come here, bud. Come here. You okay? What'd you whimper for me for, huh? What you whimpering on me for? You getting me all a little concerned there, pal. Just have to watch him when he walks and runs, if he limps at all, but... it's just weird because he was holding his paw weird over here a minute ago, and now he just heard him whimper like he got hurt or something, but there's blood all over this thing, man. Maybe you better give it a break, huh? Maybe you better give it a break? No? Okay. Well, here you go, then. I can do those baths. Good boy. Good boy. Okay, doesn't look like he's limping or anything. Huh. Could be all the adrenaline, too. He's all pumped up. He won't even feel it till we get back in the house. Not like I ever do anything like that. Good boy. Yeah. Man, I can't wear this guy out. Just can't wear this guy out, can I? What if Dad's wore out just from filming it? Who am I? Oh, hey, Steph. Sorry, I didn't know you. Oh, here, and speaking of my dog walker, here she is. Ugh. You can see Steph, huh? Come on over. Good boy. Oh, I didn't realize it was that late already.
No, it's 4:30 or a little after.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Dang. I didn't know it was that late. My physical therapy was at like 1:30 or 1:45, and I thought he just left, but time flies.
Well, this is good that you're sitting in the sun.
Yeah,
Nice out, Ray. It's really nice out.
I can't wear him out.
I just got back from the park with Josiah.
Did you? How'd that go?
Good. He got a new bike for Christmas from his dad got him a really expensive one.
Really?
He loves to ride it, but he loves to do the skate park.
Oh, okay. Does he skateboard too? Awesome.